So hey guys, welcome back again in MUO Sigma classes, and in this lecture we are going to discuss how we can implement the onboarding screen in React Native. So for this I'm going to use the package called React Native App Intro Slider. Alright, so this is the package. Alright, I will provide the package link in the description. Alright, so guys, before going in deep in this tutorial, I just want to clear you guys, this is the very first video of this series. In this series we are basically going to implement cab booking application. Basically in this cab booking application there will be the two part. One is the rider part, one is the driver part. So basically I'll make a separate video playlist. In the very first playlist you will find the rider applications. I'll make a two playlists. So one is for the rider part and another one is for the driver part. All right, so as you can see guys, we have this Figma link and every requirement is basically here in this. All right, so everything is the requirement basically is the design, the logo, the font, colors, everything is here. So as of now we are just going to implement this onboarding screen, as you can see here, first, second and third. Okay guys, so this onboarding feature, basically I'll make this kind of onboarding screen and using this package. All right, so let me just copy this, go back to the code, and here go back. Okay, so let me just put like this, hit enter, npm install React Native App Intro Slider. This is the package name. All right, so we have this 14 versions here. So the last one released 5 months ago. Okay, so guys, we have a multiple of props, ढेरों props हैं इसमें, and in order to install this we just need to copy this line. All right, not install this, actually in order to use this just need to import this package like this, and we have this array, and this slides array will basically pass here inside this. Where is this here, data. All right, so this is the data prop. All right, go back here. Okay, so now the library is installed now, and in order to use this package, let me just copy the whole part, copy the whole thing here. All right, let me just copy this, and I'm going to make another file here called intro.js. This is the name of the project, Indian Sale. All right, so without wasting any more time, let me just clear you at React Native App Intro Slider. All right, so let me just copy this, and here just need to put this like this. All right, so this is the package. All right, so this is the package, each and everything is clear here. So this is the class, this dot state. So let me just make the constructor and props, and then super and passing props like this, not like this. Okay, perfect. Now there is no error, and this is the main index.js value file. Okay, so just import this component, import and then we'll have the intro from intro. Perfect, this is the intro. Let me just use this component, go back here and go to simulator, and the problem is with, let me just reload this once again. Okay, unable to resolve the module asset1.png from intro.js value file. Go back to the intro.js value file, and here we have some of the images we are requiring from some location in the project, but there is no images. All right, so let me just comment this and comment this. All right, go back here, just reload the application. Perfect. And another thing you can see here, we are getting the error with view, can't find variable view. Just import this view, and if possible then text also. Other thing, if using like image, copy image and then paste, sorry, image. All right, just reload the application once again. And another one is the style issue. So the issue with the style, maybe this style is not getting here. All right, so we just need to also import, we also need to set the style also. Go back here and just find the style if is there. No, There is no style, I think. Okay, let me just copy this, checking if is there any. Let's check this. No, I don't think so. There is any styling here. So as of now, let me just okay. Let me just do one thing. Hmm, delete the style from here as of now. All right. Okay, and then go to the simulator, and then you can see, guys, we have three slides over here. All right, first, second, and the third. All right, we will customize this, but as of now, we can see here there are three onboarding screen. All right, in the simple scenario. Okay, let me just go back here. Okay, and this is the title. Okay, so I'll make a title like this. Okay, so let me just make the font size 18. But before that, you need to understand the requirement. What is the requirement? This is the requirement. We just need to put the images like this in the center of the layout, and there will be the text. And this, slider should look like this, not look like this, not look like the circle. All right. We have the next part also. All right. Next. Done. All right. So the very first important requirement, we are just going to use these three images in the center. All right, so let me just do this first. So here I have at the top of the project, I have this asset folder. You can see, guys, we have the 1.png and then 1b.png. 1b indicating the background of the image, and 1.png, it means this is the image. So guys, as you can see, this is the very first image, this one. All right, so let me just
download this, right? Photo to a thingy and this one, export. Alright, so if you are using Figma, then you can use like this, export to a right? To there. Alright, so let me just open this. Okay, and this, you can see here. Copy, and okay, so open new one. Inside this master, you will find a folder called YouTube. Alright, open this, and then you'll find the instance project, and we'll have the asset folder, and just print this, like this. So this will be 2.png, and this will be 2b.png. Alright, okay, and then we'll have this one, open this, and then we'll have 3.png. Alright, okay, so let's try here. This is the 3.png, and this will be the 3b.png. Alright, perfect. So
this is our introduct.js file. So this is the image, and let me just record this like this. Asset folder 1.png. Okay, this is our application. This is our application. Perfect. Slides, each and everything here, and this is the render view. All right, this is the render item view. Okay, so let me just provide the style flex 1, and this is the title, and then image, and then text. So read the requirement very first. So this is the image, and this is the title and text. So we should provide the image in the middle, so like this. Perfect. Okay, so this is the image. So let me just make the style like this. Okay, and text font size just 18 as of now. Okay, you can see like this. All right, so this is the image. All right, so here, let me just make it justify content is in the center. If I'll do this, then you will get the changes like this. Okay, and I'll provide the align items in the center. Perfect. So now you can see, guys, this this image is basically coming in the center of the screen. Okay, but you can see there is a background of the image, but there is no background as of now. So we just need to make the background also. So there should be a background. So let me just make it image background. Import this image background like this. Perfect. And just ensure this it is importing or not. Yes, importing from the React Native package only. And style, and after the before the style, we just need to provide the src. It is the source, and requiring, we are basically require from the location asset and 1b dot png. Perfect. So guys, as you can see, undefined is not an object we are getting. This is the issue. So this is the source. I just need to provide the, okay, this is the source. All right, let me just provide the style. Okay, and the width, let's say it's 400, and the height 400. All right, so you can see guys, this is the background we are getting. So we just need to provide some styling. So just use padding 10 like this. And now we just need to focus on this title. Okay, so this is the title. Let me make the font size is, let's say, 38. So now you can see this title. All right, so let me just make it 32. Will be the perfect. And this text and this text, you can see this text is bold and this text is not bold. So we need to make it bold. So font weight, there is a property called font weight. We can make it bold. All right, now I can see the changes. Perfect. Okay, so the third thing is the requests are right. You can see this text, right? So text size is almost same. We don't need to panic for this. And let me just copy this text. And there is a, okay, let me just do one thing here. Double click like this and just copy this part, and there will be the text. This is the text. All right, now you can see guys, this is the text we are getting here. And provide the margin top, and let's say 60. Simple. All right, and the same thing I'll provide here also, the text inside this text, but it will can be 30. Perfect. Now it is looking perfect. All right. Okay, perfect. Guys, two things are pending. One is the background color. As you can see, this is white and this is not white, and this is the indicator buttons. We can see here not looking same. So the very first work we need to do here, this is the background color. So as of now, the background color is providing by the index.js, and I'm just going to provide the background color white. I'll use the centric colors. Okay, but as of now I'm just putting the white here only. So guys, as you can see here, this is the white background we are getting here. But the problem is what? If you can see, this is not looking like same. All right. So what is the issue in this? Let me just clear. Okay, this is flex one. This is the intro flex one. Intro.js file, and border radius, let's say 100 as of now. Just as of now. Okay, what is the problem? Let me just put the background color here. Background color, let's say green. All right, so this is the background color. All right, so let me just put some height and width. Height, let's say 400, and width, let's say 400. All right, and the border radius is, let's say, 400 again. Let me just copy this once again. Copy this thing like this. Copy this only. and provide like this. Just delete this border radius, just delete this also, comma. Alright, so as you can see guys, this is coming in center only. Alright, so this is actually big. We'll provide the 300 and also provide the border radius 300, and this 300 is 300 and again 300. Okay, so now you can see guys, this is coming in just in center and everything is perfect now. Alright, so let me just remove the background color. Where is the background color? Green. Just delete this. We'll see the changes like this. Perfect. Now it is perfect. And guys, you can see this is the first and second and third. Okay. So okay. So this is the title. This is the description, and this is the image. And the last thing is pending is the you know this and this. Okay. So this pagination pointer is not look like same like this. Okay. So done, and here we'll have the app intro slider. Let's go here inside this and dot style. This is the dot style. All right, this is dot style and this is the active dot style. We need both. All right, so just need to copy this active dot style, go back here into .js, just use this active dot style. Okay, and just provide some style here. If the dot is active, then width we're providing, let's say 70 as of now. Just see the changes, and we just need to provide the background color also. As of now we are providing the background color is green for testing purpose. All right, so you can see the changes. I'll provide, let's say 40. Perfect. And the color we need to provide this one. Just copy this color, and color will be like this. All right. Oh, perfect. But each active or inactive dot should look like this only. All right. So what I can do here, the property was another is called dot style. Let's go back to the intro.js file, and this is the dot style, and perfect. Just provide some styling over here with, let's say 40, and the background color is this. All right, perfect. Go back here and you can see the changes. But guys, as you can see, we don't have any gap here in between dots, but in between dot we are getting the some gap. All right, so we can do some changes like this. If this is active, all right, so let me just do some changes here like this. Let's say margin, or what I can do here, is there any style inside this? There is no style here in this. Okay, so can do one thing. Margin, it's we can provide some margin. Let's say margin left 10. All right, so margin left, let's say 5. All right, perfect. Okay, but you can see guys, if we are changing, we are basically, if we are sliding left right, you can see this gap we have here, right? So in the same sense we can provide margin left 5. All right, so now you can see guys, uh, this is perfect, nice. All right, so now this is working properly, fine. All right, so this is working now, but still we have two slides here like this. We need to do some changes here for both also. So here we have copied this image, and then paste like this and just paste like this. Let me just change the image 2.png and 3.png and change the description. This is the title, right? Copy and the title too, and the title one also we need to change. Just change this title and change this title 3. Alright, let's copy this also, paste, and this is the another one title. Not title, this is description. Alright. Okay, what is the issue in this? Perfect. Okay, perfect. Let me just open my application. First, second, and then third. Now it is working perfect. No, this is basically same like these designs. So this is the very first one. Okay, then the second one, as you can see here, and then the third one. All right, but in the third one we need this button. All right, get it started. I think this video is lengthy. All right, getting lengthy, so I'll make this button in the next video. But as you can see guys, we have already we have done this part. We have done this functionality. All right, so I hope you guys will like this video. Please do like and please do big thumbs up of this video, and please do subscribe my channel also. Thank you so much.